Currently, our display recipe uses only the title and source properties and returns those to the function call as a single formatted string. The first thing we need to do is start an output variable. Instead of returning this line directly, we're going to add that to the output variable. We can then return our output variable. We'll keep the title and source as our first line. Then we'll add a new line. We'll use our concatenation, and we'll add a new line character. Our next line will be the tags. We're going to want to use an implode. We'll separate these with a comma. Let's add another line break. Now we can add our ingredients. The formatting for our ingredients is a little more complicated, so let's loop through the ingredients and format each line. First, we'll add the amount. And then we'll add our measure. And finally, our item. We also want to add a new line after each item. Let's add our instructions using implode again. This time we'll separate with a line break. Let's add another line break. And now our yield. Let's take a look at this by running our code. This looks pretty good. Let's add a couple more line breaks. I want an extra one before our ingredients and an extra line before our instructions. Pull this up and try again. Great, that looks much better.